Fire is devastating. According to the National Fire Protection Association, in 2011, fires accounted for approximately $11.7 billion in property damage. Fire does not discriminate. Fires can occur anytime, anywhere, and have a number of causes. They can happen in new buildings, recently remodeled buildings, older buildings, and open lots. In 2011, there were approximately 1.4 million fires reported in the U.S. On average, fire departments respond to fires every 23 seconds, and fire claims the lives of 9 people every day.
And we were wakened about 5 to 1 by a phone call. There was a big fire going on at our place of business. But I finally got there, and they were already dumping water on it, and the flames were shooting up 50, 75 feet in the air. You could tell already at that time, 10, 15 minutes after I was there, that it was all gone, and it was moving fast.
My cell phone rang, and it was Ryan, my son, and he said, "Dad, the plant's on fire. Come, there's nothing you can do. It's gone."
Our company is committed to educating and helping prevent the ignition and spread of fires in our facilities. We care about you and want to protect your life, your safety, and our workplace. Here's what we are asking you to do to help. If a fire were to happen, know where the emergency exits are. Get out quickly and help others as you can. Know where appropriate fire extinguishers are located and how to use them. Be aware of fire suppression equipment and how to use it. During normal working conditions, keep fire doors closed and do not block them with debris. Perform hazardous operations in appropriate areas. Use machines and power-driven equipment for their intended purpose per manufacturer specifications. Keep all machines and power-driven equipment well maintained. If you see a fire hazard or exposure, correct or report it immediately. Many fires are caused by the common hazards. This includes electrical systems, heating systems, flammable liquid storage and transfer, housekeeping, and smoking. Controlling these hazards is an essential step in effective fire prevention. Correct or report overloaded circuits, damaged wiring, or extension cords. Only use extension cords as temporary wiring, never permanent. Use power strips appropriately. Never plug a power strip into another power strip. Never exceed the peak amperage rating listed on the strip. Notify management of any concerns or problems with the heating system. Report any damage on gas piping. Be smart around heat sources. Do not stack or store combustible materials close by. All flammable liquid should be stored or returned to appropriate storage areas or cabinets. When transferring flammable liquids, exercise extreme caution. Static electricity can build up and cause a fire or explosion. Transfer devices are available, as are bonding and grounding techniques to discharge static electrical buildup. Shop rags need to be put in approved metal containers and the lid must be closed. They need to be kept in a fire-resisting covered container until removed from the worksite. Used shop rags have and can start a spontaneous combustion fire. Clean up any spills immediately. Clean sawdust accumulations or other combustible debris each day. If you smoke, use our designated smoking areas outside of the building, away from flammable storage areas, and away from exhaust vents. Fires are real and can be devastating. We care about you and want to protect your life, your safety, and your job. Let's all work together to protect and maintain a safe workplace. It's not about policies. It's not about rules. It's not about awards or recognition. Fire prevention is about coming home to your family at the end of every day. When you take a moment to reflect on the people you care about, think about the children, the spouse, the loved ones who fill your life. They are the real reason to work safely. Because the emotional and financial toll of a workplace injury, or heaven forbid fatality, affects both you and them. Keep this in mind as you learn more about how to prevent workplace fires in your job.